Hello, it's Lola. I am going to do a review on this one. It's Skyline R+CO, R+CO, I don't know. It's dry shampoo powder. I got this from Amazon and it seems like this one is one of those popular dry shampoo product, so I just got this because honestly I don't really wash my hair that often because I believe that'll keep my hair a bit more healthier as I have these bleached out parts. So I actually never tried any dry shampoo before, so I thought I might give it a try. So let's try this out. So I haven't washed my hair for 3 days, so it's the third day that I have not washed my hair. Well, there are some water got into my hair, but I didn't really wash it out with shampoo. So let's start. So it says Skyline dry shampoo powder is exactly what you need to get your hair feeling fresh and elevated. Shake gently. Okay. Press pump halfway for a smaller dose. So this is interesting because I never pumped up something that is in powder. So I should halfway. Oh, okay. It is really powdery. Oh, and ooh, it's like it's smoking. Okay, I just pumped small amount. And what's next? Spray on roots, not on scalp. Okay, so I was supposed to spray this on my roots, not on my hands and apply this. But let me just try to maybe apply this on my roots. Oh, that's why it was a bit smoky. Okay, but let's at least try how it works on my roots. Oh, okay, so just pumping. Is this how it should work? What I like about this one is it smells fresh at least. Yeah, it kind of smells like I just did my laundry. Is it too much? Was it? Okay. Okay, I think I kind of get it because this is powdery, and you know how the hair gets greasy when you don't wash it for like days. I think it kind of reduces that greasy effect because it's powder, which will absorb those sebums and oil from your scalp. So yeah, that kind of makes sense. Spray on roots, not on scalp. Massage and brush through to blend any excess. Then style. Okay. I don't think I'm going to style my hair today, but because I normally just put it down. I think I can say it definitely looks a bit less greasy, and it kind of smells like baby powder? No. Yeah, the smell it has, it's kind of refreshing, I would say. A bit sort of, it's a bit sort of like, it's not like floral fragrance or something like that, but it's some I think it's under that baby powder category. So yep, it's kind of, yeah, baby powder, laundry. I'll see how it does for the whole day. So it's end of the day, and here's my review on this dry shampoo. I would have to say this is very I would say this is quite useful when you didn't have time to take a shower or didn't have enough time to wash your hair when you are with long hair, or well, whatever the reason is, just that you didn't get the chance to wash your hair and when your hair looks greasy. I think this could be very useful for just a day. I would not recommend using this for consecutive days, because since it's powder, as it was mentioned on its direction, not to use on scalp, but it gets to the scalp at some point because it's kind of hard, because it's connected. I mean, it's just right here, the root and the scalp, it's just next to each other. So whatsoever, it'll get to the scalp and it clogs the pores on the scalps. So that's probably why the instruction says that you should not spray this on the scalp but the root. So I don't think it's a healthy option for your scalp and the hair, but I think I might use it sometimes. If it's just the powder that that absorbs the grease, that the sebum and oils on your hair, so that it makes you look less greasy, I am not exactly sure about spending almost $40 of this bottle. I mean, using baby powder could be another option, I guess. It's all same powder, right? Is it different? So that was my review. It could be useful, just that I'm not sure $40 is worth for it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.